Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Century Lithium CEO Bill Willoughby. Bill, very good to speak to you. And you've announced the successful addition of a lithium carbonate stage at your pilot plant in Nevada. So a big step forward for the company.
Yes, it is. It's actually a really big and good milestone for us. For the last 3 years since we've been running our pilot plant down in Nevada, we've been shipping material, liquid concentrate containing lithium chloride off to Canada to have that processed and made into lithium carbonate. We've been successful doing that on a number of occasions, making sample lots of battery quality lithium, better than 99.9% lithium carbonate in purity. This is a big step forward for us because now we've actually done this down at our pilot plant on site. We made a 20 kilogram roughly sample in the first couple days of working. We worked with Hargrove engineers and constructors to develop this end of the process and put it into the pilot plant, and it worked quite successfully. So we're very happy with that, and it's a big step forward for us.
And just to clarify, Bill, this is part of your 100% owned Angel Island mine, isn't it?
That is part of the project, and we just finished a feasibility study on the project just a month or so ago. And this is one of the recommendations out of the feasibility study was add the lithium carbonate stage to the pilot. It's beneficial because it shows that we have a process that we can get all the way to the final finished product stage. We can do that simulating commercial steps, and very, very good progress with the guys on site.
Bill, does reducing or eliminating the need for downstream processing make you more competitive in the tough environment?
Well, it does. If we were in the production stage right now, it would. And that's really the goal of all the lithium claystone deposits in Nevada. There's a tremendous amount of lithium resources in Nevada, but they're in lithium clays and claystones, and they have to be liberated. Once you get them out and the lithium into solution, the next step is to make a lithium product out of it. Unlike, say, a spodumene hard rock concentrate, which would have to be shipped to a conversion plant somewhere to make lithium, we're able to do that with a lithium claystone right on site. And that's the goal in Nevada, is to get to these the claystone deposits to make a lithium product, a battery grade material from the project right there, and not have to ship another product out to be treated elsewhere.
Bill, the next steps then for the project?
Well, this is important for us because having the lithium carbonate samples from the pilot plant, we'll be able to ship that to interested parties for funding, interested parties being the federal government, perhaps for loans and grants. And we'll also be able to take a look at the whole lithium carbonate end process and see how that integrates into the process in terms of recycling and taking fluids from the lithium carbonate stage back into the leaching stage itself. So big steps there, big progress on the engineering side. And this is also good on the permitting side because we are actively moving forward with our permitting on the project.
Well, Bill, I hope you'll keep us updated on any progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
No, my pleasure, Stephen. It was great talking with you again.
Century Lithium CEO Bill Willoughby.